talking about our dinner tonight. Now let's go on to the garlic bread. Garlic bread is a personal preference. Everybody likes it different ways. Personally, I like to take it and put it on one of these new modern panini makers. A little bit of olive oil, and take your garlic bread and rub it down with nice fresh garlic. This is garlic bread that's had a little bit of olive oil on it, and then just take and rub the garlic on it. That way you have a nice pleasant garlic taste. It's not too sharp and it's not overly powerful. You can take this and add a little bit of cheese on it if you'd like it that way. It's completely personal preference. What's nice about doing it this way, like I say, you can control the amount of flavor. You can also add a little bit of pepper on here. If you like a little bit of extra pepper or zip on your garlic toast, you can do that. Just by taking and adding a little bit of pepper like that. Everybody seems to have personal preferences when it comes to this type of toast. In a minute, we'll be right back and we'll be plating up our dinner.